So the funny part about this interview was Monahan just chose not to address the president's accusation in the moment, instead opting for a deflection on Bank of America's plans to sponsor the upcoming World Cup. But Bank of America later said political ideology has no bearing on its customers' decisions. We serve more than 70 million clients and we welcome conservatives, the bank said in an email to Straight Arrow News. We are required to follow extensive government rules and regulations that sometimes result in decisions to exit client relationships. We never close accounts for political reasons and don't have a political litmus test. So this was actually an issue that was happening a lot in 2024 when we covered it. But it turned into a really big deal when Joe Rogan got a hold of it on his podcast, and he had an actual guest on there that brought it up and started talking about it. And this is what he said. This is what his guest said. He said, there's a constitutional amendment that says the government can't restrict your speech, but there's no kind of constitutional amendment that says the government can't debank you, right? And so if they can't do the one thing, they can do the other thing and then don't have to debank you. And then government officials just have to put pressure on the private company banks to do it. And then the private company banks do it because they're expected to. But the government gets to say, we didn't do it. It was the private company that did it. And of course, JP Morgan can decide who they want to have customers with, or Bank of America and all of these other banks, of course. Make sure to click on the related video button down there, and I'm gonna give you a full breakdown on exactly what I'm talking about.